In today's video, we're going to fix a frustrating issue, the Roblox cursor going off screen. This problem can mess with the game experience, but don't worry, I've got a simple fix for you. So here's the issue. Sometimes when you play Roblox, the cursor just goes off screen, or it might even get stuck outside the window. This can happen when you're playing in full screen mode or when you resize your game window. Let's fix it right now. First, open Roblox and go to the settings menu. From there, make sure you're using the full screen options properly. Sometimes toggling full screen off and then can on help reset the cursor issue. If you're using Roblox Studio, it can be an issue with the window size or how it's interacting with your screen. Try going to File, Settings, and on Studio and check for any mouse settings. Resetting those may fix the issue if it's only happening in studio mode. Another thing to try is adjusting your display settings. Go to settings and display on your PC and make sure your resolution matches the game's resolution. If your resolution is set too high or too low, it could cause the cursor to glitch out. Adjust this and see if it helps. If the cursor goes off screen during gameplay, simply press Alt plus Tab to switch to another window and then back to Roblox. This can often reset the cursor position and fix the glitch temporarily. It's a quick fix if the problem pops up while you're in the middle of a game. And that's it. Hopefully one of this solution helped you out.